Hello and welcome back to Fish by Apes. Today we're going to feed these fish and actually talk a little bit about this colorful fish which comes from whatever the hell they came from, and they look quite healthy today. This is actually an RGB fish because of their color, although I don't see any blue here. Well, just kidding. We're just going to work on this car today. Stay tuned. We're going to install a brand new ITASHA to my car, the Civic, which we've been waiting for far too long for a new design. This is actually the third design we did for this car because the first one, the Viper one, didn't work out, didn't plan out, and we didn't install it because of the contest regulations and stuff. And the second one, which is the Fubuki X Tatsumaki, which we all love and adore and missed very much. And now you'll be joining us on this video to install the third design. It's going to be awesome. Let's have a look. We'll begin today's process of installing the new ITASHA by removing the old Viper banner that we installed like only a month ago, which is a shame and a waste of good material, but it's alright, we will put it on the door like that. This is the right side mocked up. We have the pointers, which are the wheel arches, and as I remember, Nami's boobs. And the stars right here supposed to go on either side of the body gaps. Yeah, this is how it's gonna look like before it gets cut and stuff. Pretty cool, right? A little backstory on why I decide to make a one-piece ITASHA is partly because I've known One Piece since I was in kindergarten, which is such an early age for me to know an anime or a manga, which is weird now that I think of it. And I actually read the first chapters back when I was 13 years old, and I've been following it ever since. Yeah. And with the One Piece hype being revived because of the Gear 5 episode on the anime came out like a few weeks ago, I say, why not? So here it is. All of the Straw Hat Pirates crew. This is actually the One Piece Red film. If you guys haven't watched the One Piece Red film, that film is the first time that the Gear 5 ever showed up in animated. And Shanks in the anime use haki as well. And as you can see, every One Piece film has its distinct wardrobe set and colors. So here we see Usopp in his black attires from the movie. Actually, all of them are wearing the wardrobes from the movie. You'll see later. The team made this design with all of their strength day and night because this is actually a hard design to do, to fit all of the 10 Straw Hat Pirates crew into one frame, and they have to retain each character's distinct look and expressions, and they have to fit the wardrobe to the movie. I like the little details here where Sanji and Zoro, which they always fight in the movie or the anime, it's here. Like they depicted it perfectly. And we have to get certain things sized correctly, such as this part right here. So the design turned out great with almost no revision except for one surprise on the hood, and we'll see what that is. After looking at the installation process and finally looking how things are gonna turn out, I have to say that the design team really made the design exceptionally well, because as expected of the Freedom Ride design team, they really mocked this up perfectly so that no character's head or face gets cut up later when the body panel gap are being cut, such as like this. They go around Frankie and then they go in between Zoro and Sanji, and also on the rear door right there, even though Robin's face here is very close to the panel gap, but the panel gap doesn't cut into the face. So when the panel gaps are later revealed and visible, the graphics of the characters itself is not disturbed in any way. Now this is the hood ITASHA. Oh, this is the surprise right here. It's Gear 5. Yeah, we did some last minute changing the Luffy and One Piece Red from his One Piece Red wardrobe to his 5th gear form, Gear 5 form. I mean, it looks great. The only thing there is, I think this is really great. We got Gear 5 Luffy, Uta in the middle, and Shanks on the right side of the car. The hood ITASHA will be cut into 2 sections right here because of the Civic hood is wide and it's rather on the big side of measurements. And so we have to use another piece of the bottom part to complete the side right here. So it's going to go like this.
Tonight my soul departs from chaotic days. Tonight my story starts to change my ways.